Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about what to expect from iPhone iOS 26. Basically, the newest update after this current one, 18.5. So first things first, you need to check if you're already 18.5 or above. That would be going to General, and then going to Software Update. As you can see right here, mine is 18.5. So by the way guys, just as a disclaimer, the only devices or iPhones are gonna get iOS 26 would be iPhone X and above, meaning iPhone XS, XR, 11, 12, and so on and so forth. iPhone XS and below will not be included on the new update. Now, what are the notable highlights for this one? So, on the left side right here, or on the main screen, we're going to have a liquid glass design. Also, Apple Intelligence would be enlightened, phone messages upgrade, and home and lock screen will be upgraded. Also, CarPlay. For the app improvements, maps right here would be improved for personalized routes, travel planning upgrades, and visited places. So right now, iOS 26 will give you a routinary on where do you go most of the time, and it will give you an idea, give you suggestions on the near places on maps. Also, wallet for this new update would be also be upgraded to much more digital and rich boarding passes, especially for your flights and all. All right. Now, for parental controls and privacy, that will be going to screen time. And I think that would be focusing on screen time much better. Now you can have screen time anywhere and everywhere in a family connection. For performance and battery, faster app loading, multitasking improvements, and adaptive power battery saving mode. Alright, that will be in here. Let me just go back there. So, device compatibility again, just want to let you know that iOS 26 supports iPhone 11 and newer. Older iPhone XR and XS would be excluded. So developer beta is already out. There is going to be a developer beta already. That being 6, that would be around, I think, June 19th for the release. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.